How to activate Clickbank account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site clickbank.com. You'll land on the official page of Clickbank. Once you're in here, tap on Start Here and then click on Skip this quick start guide. It will land you on this interface. Well, in this page, what you want to do is simply fill up some of your informations. First of all, enter your country, your first name, last name, your mobile number, your email address, and also create one password for your Clickbank account. Once you have filled up all of the information, you also need to click on this checkbox, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then click on Join Clickbank. Click on No thanks, continue to sign up. Well, you can see it says, thank you for your interest in joining Clickbank, which means that your Clickbank account has been activated successfully. Now you can simply head over to the option of profile and then update your informations, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can activate your Clickbank account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.